welcome back. Thanks for joining me. Today I'm just going to be looking a little bit more in depth at my five belly toes, what I do with them to care for them, how I clean them. As you can probably tell, it's probably not the best condition this tank's been in, so I thought a perfect opportunity for me to show you how I care for them. I know my last five belly toe video was just an overview of the tank, so I thought I'd show you how I light it, and the filtration, sort of you'll see the tank taken apart a little bit. Obviously, as you can see, the plants need trimming, so I thought I'd just put this together so that we can have a little look, and hopefully the tank will look a little bit better once it's done. Okay, so I don't know if this is the best shot, but you can see the filter slightly if you have just look here. I made it out of focus. So I'm just going to show you now just how I remove that and remove the land area and get the filter clean. So I'll just bring you around a little bit so you can see where the filter sits. There you go. Okay, so as you can see, I've just removed the land area and just the filter sits underneath. There's gaps in between to let the water in and out, just make sure we pick up any debris, but as you can see it's pretty dirty. So let's remove the filter and get it cleaned. Okay, so we've managed to clean the tank, we managed to trim out back the plants, replant it completely. I decided halfway through I was going to replant it completely after taking most of the pillar out. It does look a lot better, I think. Obviously it needs a chance to grow in at the moment. The plants will fill out a little bit more and fill the tank. As you can see from the beginning, the plant was touching the front of the glass, so it probably took about a month to do that, so as you can imagine I need to keep on top of those. I hope you agree that the tank looks a lot better. I'll try and provide an update in a couple of weeks to show you how the tank progresses. One of the things I didn't get a chance to show you was the light, so I'll just put a little video up to show you what lighting I use. It's quite straightforward and quite boring. It's just an Exoterra canopy top with two 5% UVB bulbs. That's just for the plants mainly, obviously to light the tank as well, and the five belly toes don't really need UVB, but obviously the plants do. If you're watching this video, you might think that is a lot of work to keep up with that tank. This is something I only do roughly about once a month. It doesn't always need a clean like this, very rarely do I do that. I usually just need to clean the glass, do water changes, feed and just trim back now and again. Obviously you've seen me today take the tank apart, clean the filter and have a good deep clean of it. For those of you who like the sort of videos I used to do when I don't actually appear or my voice appears in the videos, I'm going to put a selection of videos together with the tank as a compilation, so if you're interested in that then please stay until the end. As usual, if there's anything you'd like to know any more about, please comment below. If you haven't yet subscribed, then please do. I really appreciate all your support so far, getting me this far. Doesn't seem like I've got many subscribers, maybe to some, but to me, starting the channel without any real expectations of it doing anything, and almost up to 700 subscribers at the moment, I'm really happy about that. Going forward, I'm going to try and get more of a schedule going in terms of when I put my videos out. I know they're quite sporadic at the moment. You know, I am trying to juggle a job as well as obviously dealing with all my animals as well, so it's quite difficult at the moment. So going forward, I hope to create a bit of time so I can try and get videos out at least once every other week, if not weekly. So please bear with me. As usual, I really appreciate your support. And thanks for anybody who's watched my videos, commented, liked, and as usual, please continue to do so. And I'll try and see you next time.